Guess what I have? I have a new book. I am unboxing it or unpackaging it. Let's just say opening the package and showing you what I have. You can tell by the title what this video is about. I bought Sarah Renae Clark's book, her coloring book. Yes, I did. You know what? I did not look at any, and I do mean any, flip throughs. I try my best not to look at the flip through. Yeah. So this is it, Vibrant Wows. And I apologize for the ring light being on here, but guess what? This is wrapped in plastic. All right. She said, I'm going to make sure this book doesn't get dinged up. And it's hardcover too. All right. Let me open this right quick. It is shrink wrapped. All right. My book should be in very good condition. Now, I've seen people with the book, but when I'm interested in getting something and knowing, whoop, I just had a boo-boo. I intentionally did not really look at any of the flip throughs because I wanted to buy this. Now, with other books, if I am interested in buying the book, but I'm kind of on the fence, then I will actually watch flip throughs, and that helps me to make my decision. But with this, I saw some of the pages, but I never really looked at a full flip through because I knew that I would buy this book. Okay, so here we go. This is the Vibrant Wilds coloring book by Sarah Renae Clark. I do like the cover. It is pretty with flowers. Yes, with accents of gold and a little bit of green. Let's see what's on the back here. She says, let your pencils take you on a journey into the world of the unknown, spreading color through the flowers, faces, and friendly creatures you discover on your way. Enter the beautiful world of Australian artist Sarah Renae Clark, with 80 coloring pages from Sarah's favorite designs and new illustrations, with a mix of florals, plants, intricate patterns, people, and animals for every artist to bring to life with color. How cool. And it's hardback too. Who does not love hardback? And on the spine, she has her name, Sarah Renae Clark, Vibrant Wilds, and coloring book. Now, let me flip through this. Okay, pretty, pretty, pretty. I like that. Okay. I don't know, my light might be a little too bright. There we go. Yes. Okay, paper feels really good. That's heavy. And ooh, this book belongs to Paige. It says, this book is an art collaboration between Sarah and Evelyn. Yes. Okay, let's look over here. It says copyrighted Sarah Renae Clark 2024. Anyway, this is it. This is it. I love flowers. I love flowers. The paper is heavy. Okay, this is some good paper. And you know what? I feel a little bit of texture. You know how something can be really, really smooth? This is smooth, but I'm feeling something when I run my fingers over it. Okay? Am I just imagining things? This is good paper. Okay. Let me stop. I know you're like, get with the program, Evelyn. So here on this page, it says, come with me on an adventure through the vibrant wilds. And I'm going to zoom you a little bit more in. Okay, so we can get the book a little bit closer. There we go. We have borders of flowers, which is always pretty. You can make this page anything you like. But it says, come with me on an adventure through the vibrant wilds. And you know what? I'm not going to read all this, but do know that this is by Sarah. She wrote this here. I invite you to leap in and be fearlessly creative. Okay, Miss Sarah, I'm going to try to do that. All right. She says art supplies. This paper will hold a variety of different media, including colored pencils, gel pens, water-based markers, acrylic paint markers, and even watercolor. I have watercolor, you guys. I will be trying my hand at watercolor. Yes. Anyway, I'm glad it is watercolor friendly. She says, I don't recommend using alcohol markers as these will show through the page. Colored pencil techniques, and she talks about that. She recommends keeping your pencil sharp and using light layers until you get some practice with your pencils. Other general tips, she says, color the easiest parts first. I'm learning to do that. Mix your media. And she's pretty much saying use different media. You can use pencils, markers, watercolor, paint, acrylic, whatever you want. It's your thing. Use testing pages. And yeah, she has all that good information here. So here we go. All right. Okay. I like it. I like it. Now I'm going to flip through, and I don't really want to chat per se. I don't want y'all to get bored with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip. But the paper is so, so good. Let me look at the binding. Look at that, y'all. Okay. It's a sewn or stitched binding. Yes. Let me show you that it is. Okay. Get the page here. And there's the thread. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. Okay. Back to the book. Now let me flip. This is really cute. Very cute. I love flowers. I really do. I'm trying to perfect my coloring of flowers anyway. So here we go. Some of these look familiar. I have some of her stickers. This is nice. I like it. And it to me looks real, like real flowers, if that makes sense, in the pot. Okay. Nice. Flowers. I said I would stop talking, but I have not seen this book, so of course I am going to talk a little bit. Okay. Her illustrations have more open space, so you can I'm free to do some different techniques without being confined to thinking I have to do something one way or the other. Nice. Okay, we have our bookshelves. You know what? Okay. This looks familiar because I think I've colored this in her planner. Okay, you can do it again. Okay. I like her face pictures. Okay, okay. Little squirrel. Underwater stuff, which is, I like those type of illustrations. Now let me stop talking and then I will just flip through. Okay, I said I was gonna stop talking, but then I turned the page and here is an ocean scene, underwater scene. I love, love, love these. And you know what? Her illustrations are like big and in your face, and like, you can see it. You can tell what it is. I like that. Light bulbs. Hey, kitty, kitty. You all duded up with your flowers. This looks like a little mandala. You see, I said I wasn't gonna talk. Hmm. Okay. I've seen this before. Nice. Okay, I'm really gonna be quiet now. I really am. Okay. A whole page of flowers, and I can tell what they are. I don't have to figure out what's going on here. Okay, for real now, I need to be quiet. Ooh, a piano. Okay, okay. Oh, wow. I like this picture too. I've seen this illustration. Somebody colored this one, and they did a great job. Turtles, underwater stuff again. Hey, I like that. Why can't I just be quiet? Okay, a good autumn page. We loves the squirrels around here. They be stealing our pecans as well as acorns. Well, they don't steal them. They go and bury them for the winter, I guess. Okay, I like this. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Little elephants. They are flowered up too. They're cute. Mm-hmm. Our little faces, grapes. I guess those are grapes. Mushrooms, deary deer, more, what do you call succulents? Yeah. One thing's for sure, I'm gonna get a lot of practice coloring. These looks like sunflowers. If you don't know, sunflowers, they are some of my favorite, well, one of my favorite flowers because of the symbolism behind it. Look that up, and you probably will start liking sunflowers too. All right. Little jellyfish. I was about to say octopuses. Okay, this is cute. Mandala flower. The paper is really good. I cannot wait to start using my watercolor in here. Oh, wow. Let love grow. And there's the sunflower. I love birds as well. I love the color birds. Mm-hmm. Okay. We have our bunny rabbits. A little stuff. Our paper is good. I'm excited because this paper feels good. Yes. Mm-hmm. More birds. We have a feather. Okay. She says thank you in a bed of flowers art supplies test page. And she has another page for that. And then it's pretty green with the white line art. Very pretty. Okay. That is it. I think I did a good thing. I like the book. I can't wait to get started. Anyway, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep calm and keep coloring. Bye.